दिस इवनिंग दिलीप पारुलेकर जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, दिलीप पारुलेकर जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि हफ्ता कैसे पे होता है, और हफ्ता यानी कि जो ब्राइब्स हैं ये क्या मिनिस्टेरियल लेवल तक है कि उसके ऊपर भी हैं?
Dilip is under investigation, Arnab, for corruption.
Who is under investigation for corruption?
This Mr. Dilip, beach scam was there on his name.
दिलीप जी,
Ask him if he was,
दिलीप जी,
and he did not get the ticket for that.
दिलीप जी, क्या आप पर भी, मतलब देखिए कोई इसमें दूध का धुला नहीं है, तो ये रमन मलिक जो प्रो बीजेपी है ये कह रहे हैं कि आप खुद भ्रष्टाचारी हैं, आप भ्रष्टाचार करते
आपके
हैं
ऊपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है
और आप पर भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप हैं, आप पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है। क्या ये सच है कि आपने कभी हफ्ता लिया है या किसी को बोल के हफ्ता की अरेंजमेंट की है? आपने किस तरह की करप्शन की? ये कह रहे हैं कि आपने खुद कोई बीच स्कैम में आप इन्वॉल्व हैं। इसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप रमन मलिक को? दिलीप जी, आपने सुना मेरा सवाल? इतना डिले नहीं हो सकता।
हेलो सर।
तो क्या आप पे भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप है? रमन मलिक कह रहे हैं कि आपने खुद भ्रष्टाचार किया है, आप अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन है।
ट्रैप केस filed by activist Arias Rodriguez, Tanjano de Mello, 599 square meter plot.
हाँ,
सवाल यह है कि आपने खुद भी भ्रष्टाचार किया है, क्योंकि ये सब रिवीलिंग बात है ना। आप भ्रष्टाचार के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, ये कह रहे हैं आप खुद अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन रह चुके हैं।
And now just Google it, it will come out.
What move ahead?
I said just Google it.
I
it will
don't
come
Google
out.
like you on my
वो जो
program.
वो आप
बोलिए।
वो जो साहब बोल रहे हैं, वो जमीन के बारे में बोल रहा है। वो तो हाई कोर्ट में मैं कब का जीत गया।
और जो बीच काम
वो तो हाई कोर्ट में मैं कब का केस जीत गया।
जो बीच स्कैम की बात है और उसमें आपको टिकट नहीं मिली। बीच स्कैम की बात है।
अरे टिकट मिला या नहीं मिला ये बात अलग है, लेकिन वो केस जो है जिसने फर्जी डाला था वो हाई कोर्ट में जीत गया।
But Raman, you are not bothered at all that BJP is coming under a cloud for corruption. आपको लग भी नहीं रहा है कुछ? मतलब one Agnello Fernandez is there. No, I mean everybody seems to be getting used to corruption.
No, my point is simple.
BJP came to power in Delhi on the basis of an anti-corruption promise and campaign.
Anybody, if the corruption has been executed by any individual, that individual has to go through the proper course of law and has to go under the law. That is simple. That is what the Constitution says.
Agnello.
Arnab, how can the scam of Dilip Parulekar absolve these guys now? They are taking haftas. Can you deny that your government is taking haftas?
Susi Ben, ask Susi Ben.
Sir,
Susi Ben.
Is the most loosely worded, and you just these people on the panel just shoot and shoot.
Madam, your MLA. MLA has said
they have this habit of just shoot and shoot.
Your MLA.
No proof, no evidence. Nothing at all, just make wild allegation. And I've admitted at the first place that there were lapses. There were lapses, therefore a magisterial inquiry. We have not
No, that does not
within
that does not
found transparent, accountable, documented inquiry. Give us time.
Everybody in Goa knows
loud and clear.
that bribes are taking, haftas are being taken.
Politics on death. Please,
every club is paying haftas.
don't do this.
Your MLA himself has said it.
Do this. Let us nail the corrupt, allow us to perform, allow us to govern.
No,
Let
you're
us
trying
nail
to buy
the
time, I believe, Ms. Shah. You're trying to buy time till people
whosoever it
forget
be.
and people don't
trying
remain
to
angry.
defend the
But
defenseless.
I don't think we can afford to let anyone, including you or the BJP, buy time in this case. And in fact, I think the Chief Minister should appear on my program and answer some straight questions. I'll send him a request. Tirath Nagvekar from Goa is on the line. Tirath, you know better what's going on there.
Thank you very much. For a long time I've been waiting.
Thank you.
Unfortunate case this is. And I actually, when I heard this particular thing, I saw this, I happened to remember the unfamous Upahar Cinema case.
Yes.
And this has happened many years ago, but I really unfortunate to understand that how the system has not changed. This was the nightclub, no doubt, but Upahar Cinema case and this case is drawing parallels because of the inconsistencies of what should have been done and has not been taken care. I would only conclude by saying, Arnab, that this is the tip of the iceberg. I requote myself, the tip of the iceberg. If Republic TV actually investigates, then you will find many, many, many more things that you will
Such
not
as
even
what,
people will
Tirath?
know. Hello?
Such as what, Tirath? Do you believe
Many
the
things.
BJP has
You
been
go
any
to-
better than the
you go to
Congress
any
government?
department. Yeah, you go to any department, like you go to IDC, you go to any department, you'll find so many things going wrong here, going wrong there. You go to any department. There
Yeah,
are some good things happening also, but the way
जिससे वो अपने
Goa
बच्चों
is
को
being
पाल
acted-
सकें
Hello?
अपने बच्चों को पाल सकें 5 करोड़ का कंपेंसेशन दें भावना जी को ये बेशर्म